Dr. Seuss's birthday, green eggs and ham. Kylie, what do you think?
Good.
Kevin, what do you think?
Awesome.
Awesome. What do you think, Amelia?
Perfect.
Perfect. Caden, how about you?
Better than ever.
Better than ever. What do you think, Angeline? Gentlemen, what do you think?
Good.
Delish. What do you think there, little Tate?
Awesome.
Nice. What do you think of your green eggs and ham, Ruthie?
Awesome.
Mark, what about you? That's a thumbs up. Awesome. How about our half birthday girl? What do you think?
Great.
You like your green eggs and ham? All right. I'm going to try not to give anybody motion sickness as I scroll over here. What do you think, little Jackson?
Good.
And my little Taya?
Good.
You like your green eggs and ham? What do you think there, Leah? You like it? All right. Oh, Riley? What do you think of your green eggs and ham?
Good.
All right. How about you, Sophia? And my little Lola? Do you like?
Awesome.
Nice. How about you, Jassy?
Good.
Good? So we like green eggs and ham, Sam, I am. Does anybody not like their green eggs and ham? Oh, I don't see anybody.
If you do like them.
So everybody is liking. Oh, and we've got our hands up.
Hold on. Raise your hand if you
Nope,
don't
we've
like
got them. All right. Excellent.
Raise your hand if you don't
Can
like
you all
it.
say happy birthday, Dr. Seuss?
Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss.
And you can wave bye. Oh, such cute kids.
Mrs. BJ, can you get the M&M's out?
Can you eat around them? All right.